Hello and welcome to another video from Videx. In today's video we're going to have a look at the wiring of the WS4 Web Server Access Control System. In today's video we're going to be using the 4-door WS4 controller. We're going to wire two readers into it. The 12 volts from the power supply is already pre-wired for you. So the first thing we need to do is put the mains wires into the power supply here. The next thing we need to do is wire the two readers into door 1 and door 2 here. The wiring for the proximity and the keypad proximity is really simple. Just 12 volts and the RS485. It's important that the first one is addressed 0 and the second reader is addressed as 1. When wiring the readers, please use the ferrite core supplied, as this will help reduce any electromagnetic interference, which could affect the bidirectional communication between the readers and the controller. Now the reader wires are in, let's plug that into the controller. A look at some of the other terminals now. Terminals 1 to 3, terminal 1 is the door contact, 2 is the push button, and 3 is the negative for both of these. Terminals 4 to 8, terminal 4 is the positive for the locks, 8 is the negative, and 5, 6 and 7 are the relay terminals. The last thing we need to do is plug the Ethernet cable in here. Now the Ethernet wire is plugged in and the wiring's complete. Please follow us on the next video for programming. Thanks for watching. Please click on like and subscribe and have a look for our other videos in the WS4 series.